Casper here with my leadership tip of the week, which this week is all about resilience. Now, as you can probably tell, I'm on a train, so apologies for the movement. I'm on my way to deliver a workshop and a keynote just outside Newcastle this afternoon. And on the train on the way up here this morning, the train in front of us broke down, so therefore, had some real issues. How are we actually going to get there? So the question is, what do you do in that situation? Do you throw your hands up in the air and or do you just figure out what you're going to go and do? I always talk about the formula, E plus R equals O. The event plus the reaction equals the outcome. What are you going to do in that situation? Are you going to let the emotional response take control of you, or are you going to figure out a way through it? Very simply, we were delayed for an hour and 45 minutes. I spoke to the organisers, explained what was happening. We've arranged an alternative transport arrangement from Darlington, so I'm going to get there. Probably miss the first 5 minutes, but then I've got the whole sort of 4-hour workshop this afternoon. So we're going to pick it all up. But the question is all about that resilience. What do you do in that moment when things go wrong? And that very simple formula, right? E plus R equals O. It's all about your reaction. What do you do? So there we go, real life resilience in action, and therefore actually a good story for this afternoon, because this workshop is all about resilience this afternoon. So we'll be going deep into this and exploring the emotional side of it, and the different brain chemicals that are going off inside you, and what do you do when that happens. Anyway, there we go, resilience. Have an awesome week, everyone. Awesome weekend. This is Casper on a train heading north, out.